Hey everyone, it's Lynnea. Today is another video for you where I'm going to give you some wintry inspiration using LDRS Creative. Remember to head over to the LDRS Creative blog. The rest of the design team has also put together some amazing inspiration for you, and you'll definitely want to check that out. So I have to start with an apology because in today's card I had done the die cutting and the coloring, and when I went to edit the video, the footage was corrupted, so I couldn't use it. But I still wanted to show you what I could because I think this card is really cute. So I have stamps from the City Sidewalk stamp set. I already have colored in those little images, as well as a little house from the 34th Street stamp set. What I'm working with now is the Sunburst rectangle die, and I cut out a piece of pattern paper from the Mackenzie Christmas pattern paper pack. This paper is like a light peach color with some snowflakes on it. It really is pretty, and I will try my best to capture the gorgeousness of these papers in the photographs. Now I'm just going to adhere that Sunburst rectangle die cut piece onto a white card base, and then this card is really simple. I just wanted to have kind of this little girl showing up to the neighborhood with a wagon full of Valentines, and now here's another little friend and their dog coming to greet her. So I arranged my pieces the way I want them to be, and this is my trick for picking up multiple pieces. I just lay a piece of tape over all of the images, and then I can add foam tape as if this was one complete image instead of 4 individual little die cuts. Then I can press that onto my card front and just remove the tape, and it just makes it a lot easier to work with multiple little pieces. Now this little house from the 34th Street stamp set, once you die cut that, the windows and the door will open. For my sentiment, I have the Love Stack stamp set from LDRS Creative. This is one of their stack stamps. So the idea behind this is you can stamp that stamp once. That is just one large stamp, and you're going to have 11 sentiments. And then when you die cut that with the coordinating sentiment stack die, it's going to cut out 11 little sentiment banners. I picked my favorite and I added it below my little scene here. And this card is complete. All of the LDRS Creative products that I used in today's video are listed and linked below in the video description. I want to thank you all for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye! Thank you again very much for watching this video. If you liked this video and you'd like to see more from me, please hit that subscribe button that is on the screen now. And here are a few other videos that I thought you might enjoy.